8 layers dip party snack. Good for entertaining your friends and family. This 8 layers dip is very pretty to the eyes and satisfying to your appetite and your guest's appetite. Let's start by preparing chorizo turkey sausage. Let's put the chorizos into the pan. You don't need any frying oil for it, because chorizo has some oils in it already. Put some cut up onion, salt, pepper, and cumin. And then put some garlic. Stirring it occasionally. Keep flipping them so they won't get burned on one side only. It's cooked now, so put them into a container for now. I bought a store-made guacamole, sharp cheddar cheese. I've got to cook the Spanish yellow rice in the rice cooker. Then put the cooked yellow rice into a bowl. Prepare the salsa and the corn. Let's cut up the tomatoes to make tomato salsa. Put all the cut up tomatoes into a bowl. Pour some salsa on it and mix them. Voila! That's the tomato salsa. Now let's make the corn salsa. Pour some salsa into the corn. Mix them together. That's it, the corn salsa. Prepare the transparent glass container so people can see how pretty your dish is. Put the yellow rice first in the bottom. Rice is heavier than other stuff, so it should be in the bottom. Push the rice down to make it compact. Then the choritos on top of the rice. Then tomato salsa on top of choritos. Sour cream on top of tomato salsa. Corn salsa on top of the sour cream. Sour cream again on top of corn salsa. Sorry for technical issue here. Put guacamole on top of the sour cream. Grated cheese on top of guacamole. There you are, guys, our 8 layers dip party snack. We're serving it with tortilla chips and potato chips on the side. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bon appetit! They look so pretty together.